Morphology of flower. Subject Biology, Class 11 Science students. Morphology of flower. As the young plants grow and the vegetative parts mature, flowers make their appearances in order to produce seeds and thus pave way for the next generation. The vegetative growth leads to the development of branches and other foliages. Some of these mature shoots start bearing flowers and are known as reproductive shoots. Inflorescence. The axis of a plant which bears flowers is called peduncle or rachis. The arrangement of flowers on the rachis is called inflorescence. There are two main types of inflorescence: A. racemose, B. cymose. Types of inflorescence. There are two types, racemose and cymose. There are subdivisions of racemose. They are raceme, spike, spadix, catkin, umbel, and capitulum. Cymose. There are four divisions of cymose. They are solitary, uniparous, biparous, and multiparous. Uniparous again in helicoid and scorpoid. Again uniparous in helicoid and scorpioid. We will see racemose inflorescence. The apical bud is not transformed into a flower. Flowers born laterally in an acropetal succession. Towards the base, flowers develop earlier and larger. Process gradually progresses towards the apex. Types of racemose inflorescence. First one is raceme. When rachis is normally elongated and flowers are stalked, the inflorescence is called a raceme. Example is mustard and caesalpinia. Second one is spike. When rachis is normally elongated but flowers are sessile, the inflorescence is called a spike. Example, Acheranthus. Third one is spadix. The peduncle is thick and fleshy. It bears unisexual sessile flowers at lower end. The male flowers are borne above the female flowers. The peduncle is protected by a large foliage bract known as patch. Example is colocasia and musa. Number 4 is catkin. If the axis of a spike is weak, it does not stand erect but is pendulous. All the flowers in an inflorescence are unisexual. This inflorescence is called catkin. Example mulberry and acalypha. Number 5 umbel. The rachis become condensed and stalked. Flowers are arranged on its tip like the spokes in an umbrella. The flowers are usually bracteate. Thus the bracts form a whole or a cluster at the base of flower. This group of bract is called involucre. Example onion and fennel. Number 6 capitulum. The peduncle becomes flat and disc-like. It is called receptacle, surrounded by a hole of bracts called involucre. Peripheral flowers are called ray florets. Central flowers are called disc florets. Example sunflower and tagetes. Cymose inflorescence. In this type, the apical bud is transformed into a flower. Thus, the development of inflorescence axis becomes arrested. Types of cymose. Number 1 cymose solitary. One pedicellate flower is borne terminally by the peduncle. A joint somewhere in the stalk demarks the extent of peduncle and pedicel. Example argemone and hibiscus. Number 2 uniparous monocacial. Helicoid. The apical bud gives rise to a single lateral branch before transformed into a flower. The apical bud of this branch also does the same. This order continues. Thus, new branches are formed sequentially on one side of the axis only. It is called unilateral helicoids. B. Scorpoid. The lateral branches arise alternatively on left and right sides. Helicoid, example Hemelia. Scorpioid, example Heliotropium. Number 3 biparous dicacial. A determinate inflorescence in which the main axis ends in a flower. After producing two daughter axes in flowers, example jasmine, Nicanthus. Third one is mogro. Number 4. Multiparous polycacial. In this type, the main axis ends in a flower after producing more than 2 branches. Example, Calotropis, red oleander.